Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. This is Vaibhavi Sawant. Crypto TV has rebranded itself as 3.0 TV to provide an all-around update to viewers and help broaden the understanding of the evolving digital segment, including cryptocurrencies, blockchain projects, Metaverse, non-fungible tokens, cybersecurity, and several other related issues. Keep watching 3.0 TV for all things related to Web3, including to keep abreast of all ongoing happenings and transformation in the digital space. And let's start with today's headlines. Bitcoin trades about $21,000, Ether near $1,550. India CBDC rollout likely this fiscal with wholesale businesses. India Blockchain Forum launched to support Web 3.0 adoption. IMF warns about growing linkages between crypto and Asian equity markets. Average Bitcoin transaction fee drops under $1 as network difficulty recovers. BAYC NFTs nearing mass liquidation on BendDAO amid liquidity crunch. Australia to use token mapping as framework for crypto regulations. South Korea to impose 10% to 50% gift tax on crypto airdrops. Bitcoin was trading at $21,220, down 1.2%, falling 12% in the last 7 days, while Ether, which had recently hit $2,000 mark, dropped to $1,550 in relation to the Fed's anticipated rate hike next month. Wall Street banking giant JP Morgan has warned investors that something worse than a recession could be in the making. Speaking to the bank's clients, the JP Morgan CEO Jamie Dimon said that there are storm clouds ahead, citing some current macroeconomic headwinds in the US economy. Since Bitcoin shares a greater correlation with the US equity market, any fall on Wall Street is likely to impact Bitcoin equally. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency, was trading at $1,562, down by almost 4% in the last 24 hours. IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 2.2% at 30,620 points. Moving forward, Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell will deliver his keynote address at the Kansas City Fed's 2-day annual economic symposium at the Wyoming retreat on Friday. His highly anticipated speech on the economic outlook could signal how high US borrowing cost may go and how long they will need to stay there to bring down soaring inflation. The Reserve Bank of India, that is RBI, is planning to introduce its central bank digital currency, that is CBDC, this fiscal year in a phased manner, initially for use only by wholesale businesses, and is designing it in a way that leaves no room for anonymity by its users, source said. The CBDC will be introduced for retail segments only after RBI examines its usage among wholesale businesses, and a call on whether to allow anonymous transaction for general usage will be taken then. Last month, T. Ravi Shankar, RBI's deputy governor, said that while the central bank is ready to launch the CBDC, it will do so in steps to avoid disruption in banking and financial systems. The India Blockchain Forum was founded with the goal of making India a global hub for blockchain and Web 3.0. The organization was established on August 21st in Hyderabad, Telangana. It was launched by Jayesh Ranjan, Principal Secretary, Industry and Commerce and Information Technology Government of Telangana. The India Blockchain Forum envisions a collaboration model with governments, regulators, industry, and academia to assist in the development of comprehensive framework for the appropriate adoption of blockchain and Web 3.0. Founding members of India Blockchain Forum include Prasanna Lohar, CEO Blockstalk, Pankaj Diwan, founder and CEO, Idea Labs, Future Tech Ventures, Colonel Indrajit Singh, Chief Cybersecurity Officer, Vara Technologies, Sharat Chandra, Blockchain Evangelist, and Srinivas Mahankali, Chief Business Officer, Secure Cloud Technologies. The forum has over 40 influencers and is forming special interest group, that is SIGS, for blockchain and Web 3.0 adoption in areas such as CBDC, Metaverse, policy framework, and NFTs. The India Blockchain Forum will be open to all stakeholders with the goal of creating the world's largest Web 3.0 community. The International Monetary Fund over the weekend expressed concern over the growing correlation between crypto and Asian equity markets. In a blog post published on August 21st, the multilateral agency researchers warned that the interconnectedness between the traditional markets and cryptocurrency pose risk to investors, given the contagion spreading between two markets. The IMF applauded the government of India, Vietnam, and Thailand for their recent regulatory actions. The average transaction fees on the Bitcoin, that is BTC blockchain, fell below $1 for the first time in over 2 years, further strengthening its use case as a viable mainstream financial system. The decrease in the transaction fees can be attributed to a variety of factors, including falling market prices and decreased mining difficulty. The difficulty of mining a new BTC block, on the other hand, is steadily improving as miners gain access to cheaper hardware and recover from the prolonged chip storage. Although users expect every network upgrade to reduce gas fees and transaction speed, not all upgrades are built to serve the same purpose. As of 22nd of August, the average Bitcoin transaction fee was $0.825, the lowest since June 13, 2020. A large number of Bored Ape Yacht Club non-fungible tokens are nearing liquidation on lending platform BendDAO, as floor prices of several tokens have tumbled below the level. BendDAO is a peer-to-peer lending service that lets users borrow ETH against their NFTs. Customers have the option to take out a loan equal to 30 to 40% value of the NFT collection's floor price, with the token being pledged as collateral. According to reports, BendDAO has run out of wrapped Ether or WETH in its contract, and only 15 of the wrapped tokens are left to repay 15,000 lenders. Analysts are of the view that if liquidation are triggered, the situation could lead to a death spiral for the entire NFT market and the Bored Ape Yacht Club ecosystem, that is BAYC. Australia's new government, led by Prime Minister Anthony Albanese, since May 23rd, will begin a review of how cryptocurrency assets are managed with a view towards keeping practices up to date and protecting consumers, Australian Treasurer Jim Chalmers said in a statement released today. Australians are experiencing a digital revolution across all sectors of the economy, but regulation is struggling to keep pace and adapt with the crypto asset sectors, Chalmers said in the statement. As the first step in the reform agenda, Treasury will prioritize token mapping work in 2022, which will help identify how crypto assets and related services should be regulated. This hasn't been done anywhere else in the world, so it will make Australia leaders in this work. Token mapping entails uncovering the characteristics of all digital asset tokens in Australia, including charting the type of crypto asset, its underlying code, and any other defining technological feature. Before token mapping, according to Chalmers, the government will release a consultation paper with the sector on a regulatory framework. That's it for today. This is Vaibhavi Sawant signing off. Keep watching 3.0 TV.